So my name is Jaysen. I'm a junior at Northwest High School, and me and Mahrus, we're high school interns here.
I'm Mahrus Chowdhury, and I'm also a junior at Northwest High School, and I've been working alongside with Jaysen on forming a computer vision aided cyber physical systems engineering air hockey project.
This project is essentially an air hockey robot. So sometimes if you want to play air hockey and you don't have someone to play with, you can play with the robot, and it's automatically going to defend and attack.
This project had two iterations mainly, and the first stage or iteration of the project was that we initially had connected the PS5 controller to control the robotic part of the air hockey table and to be able to move it with the joysticks and be able to attack with the trigger. But then we were like, okay, well, if we wanted to move on and make it completely autonomous, that was our second iteration of the project, where we mounted this camera which was able to track all the movements of the puck on the table.
We went through many iterations of this, right? We started with a version that just defended going to the X position of wherever the puck is. And then we evolved to a more offensive version where it's gonna start attacking the puck, moving forward and whatnot. And then we eventually opted for a best of both worlds, where if it's far enough away, it will just try defending or moving to a certain position. But if it's close enough, it will try attacking. The materials used to make the air hockey table itself, this mount and the camera, were all from CPSE, so we didn't have to pay for anything out of pocket.
I think that also one of the things that CPSE helped us with is basically allowing us to learn by ourselves and not giving us the answer right away, which is something that's really important in any STEM field and engineering field, computer science field, where you are given a problem that you need to assess and you need to be able to solve it with the resources that are given to you instead of trying to look for an immediate and correct answer. Because this project took about 4 to 5 months and we kept coming across with problems. But UMD CPSE taught us that even if we have barriers, we are able to allocate all of our resources and minds and put them together to get one solution. And Dr. Gomez really helped us with this, and even yesterday and the day before, he was telling us how when you start coming up with a solution, you have to assume that everything will go wrong, and you have to make a lot of assumptions in the engineering and design process. And that really helped us try to build a better project and be able to get to this point and finally get it working.